So, main focus. Okay. Today we are editing 3 pictures from a super good photographer. His name is Ben Maclean. You can follow him on Instagram. I'll post it somewhere here. And thanks a lot to him for providing these raw pictures for us beginner photographers and editors to edit them and showcase them to you. Let's jump into Lightroom. He clicked these pictures and there are about 15 pictures. I've already edited one, this building one. I'll be doing 2 more today to show you guys how I do it. Okay, we're gonna do this one. I think this shot's really cool, and this one. Okay, let's start with this dope shot here. Okay, cool composition. I don't want to change anything on that. Let's start with the basics. I will raise the temperature just a bit, and then exposure, I don't think I want to touch it, but raise it slightly. Contrast just a bit. Take down the highlights to see the sun more. Bring up the shadows. Bring up the whites and just reduce the blacks. Okay, now clarity, I think I'll reduce the clarity later. And texture, I won't touch it. Dehaze, actually I want to bring a little more haze to it because it's like that dreamy look. Okay, vibrance, I'm gonna increase it a little bit. Now onto the tone curve, just a slight S1 to get that punchy contrast, and I'll raise the blacks just a little bit. So moving on to the HSL color panel, reds. Okay, let's see what's red here. Not much, so I'll leave it at that. Oranges, there are oranges and I have to be careful here. Changes pretty quickly. I'll keep it like that, and then the yellows I will make it a bit orange and then increase the saturation to get that golden look, golden hour color. I don't like the way his pants look. Okay, into the greens, not much. There are greens in the mountain, but it won't change much. Aquas, I don't believe will change very much here. And then the blue, yeah, it's affecting the clouds. So I think I'll go and reduce the saturation a bit and add a bit teal to that. Purples, not much happening there. Magenta, okay, a little bit of something is happening, but not a huge amount. So I guess I'll take down the luminance just a bit, not too much. Also, okay, yeah, spans are looking much better now, but the sun flare is gone, so I'll not change the luminance here. Okay, on to color grading. Color grading, mid-tones, I think keeping it red will help, near about here. And shadows, some blues in the shadows will do, I guess, and oranges in the highlights. Of course, it's I don't know if it's a sunrise or a sunset, but looks cool all the way. Detail, I like to sharpen up a bit and then up the sharpening. Okay, just a bit of noise reduction, nothing too dramatic, nothing happening here. So I'll go to effects and add a bit of vignette. That's about it, nothing too dramatic. Calibration, okay, let's see if this gets the color I want. Yes, it's doing a good job, but too much on the red side. Okay, I like it here. And I'll just keep it like this, nothing much. Okay, now I'm gonna take this adjustment layer. What do we call this? I forgot. Graduated filter, sorry. It's called the graduated filter. And I'll just take out the saturation a bit. Just a bit. Yeah, that's about it. I don't want anything to look unnatural. And I'll increase the contrast here. Take down the exposure just a bit. No, it's not looking good. I'm a beginner here, so take out the highlights. Yeah, I think it looks good. Anything else? I don't know. You tell me. I think that looks good. I mean, it's a bit overdone maybe, but looks good anyway. So, moving on to the next picture now. Oops. Okay. The next picture was this one. Okay, lots of whites. First off, I want to, straighten the horizon and compose it so it looks good. Don't want these things there. I mean, these things. So I'm just gonna crop them out. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Make sure the car is in the center. Straighten it up a little more. That's looking good, I guess. Okay, now basics. Take down the temperature just a bit. I want cooler tones on that, snow. On the snow, yeah. Increase the exposure a bit. Contrast. Take down the highlights. And increase the whites to make it pop. And shadows are just taken down. I'll leave the blacks as it is for now. And okay, I forgot. I wanted to reduce clarity a bit. Yeah, that's what I was missing in this picture. Here we are with another graduated filter, and this time take down the clarity to give it that dreamy look. Yeah, looks good in my opinion. Let me get yours down in the comments below. Okay, now back to where we were. Yes, clarity. Just increase the clarity a bit because this is a detailed picture of an Audi car. Good looking car, by the way. Dehaze. No, I don't think I'll touch that. Vibrance. Okay, just a bit. Tone curve, the same S curve to bring some contrast in there. Raise the blacks just a bit. A little bit more. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Okay, now onto the HSL color. Red looks good, but I want it a little bit near the orange side. I know it's not the original color. Okay, luminance just makes it shit, so back to where it was. Yeah, that's it. And now for the oranges, let's see what changes. Yeah, the number plate and the color. Okay, in fact I like the red good. Yellows, want to make that orange? Don't think so. Okay, I'll just make it a bit orange there. Greens, I don't think we have any greens here. Yeah, aquas, so no change in aquas either. Blues, this will affect our picture. We have a lot of blues in here, and we'll make it a bit teal. I think that's good. I don't know if I'm overdoing it. You tell me. Okay, I guess I'm overdoing it. It's good here. Luminance. Yeah, just increase that a bit. Purple. There are purples here. Keep them like this. I won't change them. Okay. So moving on to color grading side. Midtones. Let's leave it there. Now it's time to give a color to the shadows. I think I'll make them just a bit teal. And the highlights, also a colder look there. Yeah, that's it. Wet tones, let's see what this does. I guess I'll leave it right there. Detail, okay, sharpening. We'll do it so it sharpens the car here. Noise reduction, just a bit. Lens correction, okay, this does almost nothing, so I'll leave it right there. Effects. Look at this, effects. No, don't like that. Keep it as it is. Nothing doing there. Let's see what the calibration panel does. Nah, I don't think I'll touch these. You know what? Let's check out the Instagram 4x5 crop setting. Looks good in my opinion. Yes. Okay, let's see a before and after. Okay, quite a dramatic change. Looking good here. That was a graduated filter, and this is, oh my god, I'm forgetting the name. Radial filter. Sorry. Okay. Invert it and then increase the contrast so that, not by much. Exposure a little bit. So the car stands out. Decrease the shadows. What does it do? Not very much. Okay. Highlights. I guess increasing them will work wonders. Yeah. Okay, I'll increase the clarity here because, car texture too. Just a bit. Not anything too crazy. Saturation. That's it. And a bit of sharpness, just because we can do it. I guess this is looking pretty well. So you tell me. This is the before, after, before, after. Okay, this video is getting long, so I will improve on it. Okay, now for the final image. It was like this and I edited it to be like this. Okay, that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it though, so I hope you did the same. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below if you liked it, if you liked my edit. And a huge shout out to Ben Maclean again to give out these raw files for free for us to practice and show our editing skills. That's about it. Follow me on Instagram also. And bye. Baapre. Man, this is tough. Too tough. Really tough.